DocuSign LLC review user experience. DocuSign is a leading electronic signature and digital transaction management service that enables users to sign, send, and manage documents securely and efficiently. It caters to individuals, small businesses, and large enterprise, facilitating a seamless agreement process across various industries. And here are the key features about this platform, which is an electronic signatures with document management and integrations with security, a robust encryption and compliance with global security standard to ensure data protection. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, user-friendly interface which simplifies the process of uploading, signing, and sending document, and also time efficiency, which is the accelerate the signing process, reducing turnarounds times and significant. And mobile accessibility allow user to manage a document on the go through the mobile device, and also they offer a branding option to personalize the signing experience. And here the downside about this platform, which is the cost. Some users find the pricing higher compared to other e-signature solution, and also advanced features may require time to master for new users, and also occasional report of delay response from support channel. And here the overall verdict about this platform. DocuSign stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for electronic signatures and document management. Its extensive features and integrations make it suitable for various business needs. While the cost may be consideration for some, the time saved and the streamlined processes often justify the investment. And for a more in-depth stand for users experience, and DocuSign might find the video review helpful.